shooting a cinematic shot of an object is to add world background. So switch the shading solid to render. I have already modeled the smartphone we are using. If you want a video, tell me in the comments below. Go to world settings right here, color, environment texture, and open an HDRI file that you like this, and click OK. Now switch to shading window and let's switch to rendered view first. The background we have is little darker. We need something to reflect on our screen. So duplicate this, select another HDRI file which has those lightings. Now stretch this up little bit and add a shader, mix shader, connect in between, connect these points. Now add input light path and connect the first one to the shader. Increase the strength and we have this reflecting surface. Back to layout window, switch to solid view, select all, hide. Let's add a camera. We have camera right here. Make all rotation 0 by Alt R, and we need a cameraman. So add an empty cube. This will be our cameraman. Select camera, then select cameraman. Now right click and parent object. Keep transform selected. Now our camera will move with the cameraman. So we need to give him a path to follow. Add curve, circle and scale it up a little bit, whatever you like. And we need cameraman to follow this path. Now select the cameraman and go to constraint menu, add constraint, follow path, and select the circle. Unhide everything. We have this empty cube around our object for the camera to focus on. Now select the camera, go to constraint menu, drag to, select our empty cube. Now the camera should face at the object. Select Y minus Z, it faces the object now. Now we need an inclined path, so select this path, R, Y, this much, okay. So we need a rendered view, so switch to rendered view. We have a reflecting surface, so let's select our phone, unselect everything else in case anything is selected, okay. We need to rotate it in XYZ any direction to get maximum reflection to make our cinematic shot look more beautiful. So let's check if we got it. Okay, we have these reflections. Done. Most important part is to move camera, so select cameraman. Now check these boxes, go to offset and let's increase this first. Okay, now right click, insert keyframe, jump to 250, go to offset, write 1 here. Now right click, insert keyframe, move it back. Let's play. See, our cameraman moves along a complete circle during these 250 frames. Let's see through the camera. Press 0 and this is what it looks through the camera. Select camera and go to camera settings. Change focal length or shift if you like to get your desired shot. Like this looks good. I think we need an higher angle, so select this path and RY, increase a little bit. Before exporting, check these output settings, select but it will look good. Go to render animation. It will render a whole animation frame by frame from 0 to 250. Depending on your device or project, it will take more or less time. So that's it. Here we have our cinematic shot of an object. Thanks for watching everyone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know your suggestions in the comments down below. It really helped me a lot to improve. Goodbye.